Hello, my name is Chris and I'm with Riton Optics, and today we're going to be mounting the MPRD 2 onto the Ruger Max 9 pistol. First things first, no ammunition is anywhere near this table, and I'm going to clear and safe this weapon. There's already no magazine in here and no rounds in the chamber. We're clear and safe to do this install. Couple awesome things about the MPRD 2. Shake away technology, auto brightness, auto dimming. It's got 50,000 hours of battery life, and of course that solid aluminum construction. First thing we want to do is take our CR2032 battery, place that positive side up, that's with the writing, into the optic, and go ahead and double check that that red dot is on, and it is. We're going to take the provided screws coming with your MPRD 2 onto the top of this slide here, making sure that we're flush on either side. And we're going to drop these in, just kind of hand tighten first. I've got my torquing tool. I'm in 8 inch-pounds. And we're just, like I said, we're going to hand tighten this first, making sure not to strip or cross thread anything. About there on that side and about there on this side. Just want to one more double check that we're all flush here on the sides, we're not overlapping at all. Looks great. We're going to go ahead and torque this down. Again, I'm at 8 inch-pounds. Perfect. Awesome, guys, we're mounted up and my dot is still on. Should be ready to go with this guy right here. Any questions you guys have, please reach out to us ritonoptics.com. Any warranty related issues with this optic or any of our optics, we're there to help you at all times.